All right, I want to talk really quick about mealybugs. Have you guys ever seen this white stuff on your plant leaves? It's very common. It's like a little white mildew, fungus looking stuff on your plants. Well, I never used to know what this was, and I did some research, and it's actually called mealybugs. It's a fungal infection, and it's very common on houseplants. Guys, I used to have this all over my plants. It's very common on these pothos plants. But then I found a couple products that made my life a lot easier, that are very simple and that take care of the mealybug problem. So I just wanted to share them with you in a quick video. So the first thing is, you can get a pre-mixed neem oil mixture like this at your local. I think I got this at Lowe's or Home Depot. Okay, and if you get this, it's pre-mixed. You don't have to do anything. You just simply spray it on your leaves. We sprayed it all over all of our plants, even the ones that didn't have the mealybugs, just so they wouldn't get infected. And this is great. It works good. The only thing I would say with this is I used up the bottle in like the first week, and I had to get some more. So it doesn't last that long. If you guys want a better solution, I think actually I like this stuff better. This is triple action neem oil. I'll put a link in the description where you can buy. But this stuff right here is concentrated. So basically you can make a whole mister full, a whole container full, and just put a little bit, like a half a teaspoon of this triple action neem oil in there. And so it'll last forever pretty much. So I like this better, more cost effective, lasts longer. But if you can't find that and you just want to get something from your local hardware store, you can go with this stuff. So either way, neem seems to work for the mealybugs. It takes care of the problem, and it doesn't hurt all the other plants too if you want to put it on all of your other plants. And I wanted to show you guys my misting options. So we had been misting all of our houseplants during the wintertime, especially because it gets so dry inside. And after squeezing the trigger about 1,000 times with one of these regular misting bottles, I figured I would look up online other misting options. And I found this cool bottle. This is called ExtremeMist. And what's really neat about this is it's an automatic sprayer. So you can do this with just regular water, even if you don't need to do the neem. Or you can do it with a little bit of neem in there. But basically you're just gonna pump up like this on your bottle until it's kind of hard to pump. And it just takes a few pumps, maybe 5 or 10. And then you just go around, and there's a button on here, and you can just hold down this button. Can you guys see that? We got automatic misting option. Automatic misting. I'll go in the other room and show you another plant. This is our Norfolk Island pine, and this plant likes to be misted a lot, especially we bring it inside for the winter and it needs to be misted. It needs a humid environment. And so this ExtremeMist works perfectly because I just hold down. Look at that, guys. Can you see the mist coming out there? It might be a little hard to see, but it is misting. A great, nice, fine mist. I can get it all over all of my plants. Here's our peace lily. I'm just misting everything, and I'm just holding down my finger. It'll go for, I don't know, probably like 5 minutes just on like 10 little pumps. So it's very simple and very easy to do. And I'll finish up this video. Those are the products I'm using. I will link to them in the description. This is just a regular cheap like dollar sprayer. This one, ExtremeMist, very cool, but a little more expensive. If you want to try it, I'll link to it in the description. We've got the triple action neem oil, and we've got the Captain Jack's neem oil that I got from Home Depot. If you guys got something out of this video, leave a comment and like the video. And if you have any questions, put them below. But so far, I found this works great for taking care of the mealybug, white fungus problem on my plants. I'll spray some on here, and this will probably be gone within about another week or two. So that's it, guys. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.